I'm Julia Borelli. In this video, I'm going to show you my favorite tools for mixing melodic techno. I work with artists such as Anima, Mine Against, Stefan Bodzin, and labels like Afterlife, Tomorrowland, and many more. Today we're going to use Pegasus by Kevin DeVries as an example. If you want to check out my full mixing and mastering process, check the link below. My favorite tool for shaping the sound in terms of transient and tonal information is Split EQ. I can boost the low end, for example for the kick, to make it more punchy. I can also add some clickiness to the kick by opening up the transient high shelf of my kick. As some of you already know, I am addicted to sugar, but not on my coffee. Let me show you why. Sugar is a multi-band enhancer that lets me add saturation and different types of saturation in different bands of my sound. So here, for example, for the lead, I can add some analog feel to it. Next one on the list is Fab Filter. I would say for a starting bundle is the best one because you have great quality, compressor, limiter, EQ options for your mix. Let me show you how I'm using the EQ, for example, on the lead of Pegasus. With the dynamic EQ options, I can make sure that they're only EQing once that frequency is too strong. Another EQ that I love is the Brainworks Digital V3 from Plugin Alliance. So in the master, I like using it to bring the lead or the vocal in your face. It's also great to open your mix a little bit. Next up is Track Spacer, my all-time favorite for depth. By placing it on my back synths, I can give space to my front synths to shine through, creating layers of depth. So I have it on my mid synths and side chaining to my front synths. I do that to make sure that my synths are not fighting for space. I use many different limiters, sometimes even in the same master chain. Here are 5 of my favorite limiters that you should check out. Elevate, Invisible, Elephant, Pro L2, and Limitless. If you want to have a closer look on my mastering chain, check out my class. I'm going in real detail there. Last but not least, Dropbox. Please make sure to save your sessions. I am tired of mastering tracks and then asking for revisions on a mix and getting the reply that they lost the session. It also allows you to always access your files quickly from your phone, from your computer, from whatever device you have, and send it as soon as possible, as the industry always wants. I'm sure that you know most of the tools that I listed here. If you want to know which other tools I use and how, check out my masterclass.